Hello everyone, this is Priya Sharma from Effective English Learning. How are you all guys? Hope you all are fine. Today my topic is past continuous tense, which is second type of past tense. In the same way I have taught you present continuous tense in my previous videos. Now we will compare past continuous tense and present continuous tense together so that it will be easy for you to identify what is past continuous tense and what is present continuous tense. Structure, identity. Identity means पहचान. I have written some Hindi endings. रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. The sentences which ends with these Hindi endings are called as past continuous tense. In case of present continuous tense, because that is present, so present ends with रहा है, रही है. Now move to the structure. Rule 1, affirmative, positive. I'll compare this structure with present continuous structure. The structure of past continuous tense: subject, was were, verb की first form, ing, object. At the place of was were, we use is, am, are in case of present continuous tense. That indicates है, रहा है, and was were indicates रहा था. This is the basic difference between present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Now I'm going to give you two examples by using above structure. First one is he was making a noise. As I have written that we use was with singular subject. If there is one person, we use was. If there are more person, we will use were. Example, he was making a noise. वह शोर मचा रहा था. If we replace was with is, then it will become he is making a noise. It ends with रहा है. वह शोर मचा रहा है. If I use was, रहा था, he was making a noise. Another example with plural subject, they were enjoying party. वे पार्टी enjoy कर रहे थे. Now move to the rule 2. Negative, it means no. We just need to attach not with helping verb. Subject, was not, were not, first form ing, and object. I'm going to change above example into negative sentence. He was not making a noise. वह शोर नहीं मचा रहा था. They were not enjoying party. वे पार्टी नहीं enjoy कर रहे थे. Now I'm going to change above sentences into interrogative. Interrogative means the sentence which ends with question mark. When you ask question from somebody, this sentence is called as interrogative. I have told you in the previous videos that in case of interrogative sentence, we always use helping verb at first place. So here our helping verb is was were. So I am using was were at the first place. After that subject, first form ing, object, and then question mark. Now I am going to change above sentences into interrogative. Was he making a noise? क्या वह शोर मचा रहा था? If it is in present tense, is he making a noise? क्या वह शोर मचा रहा है? If you are using was, then it will change into past continuous tense. Was he making a noise? क्या वह शोर मचा रहा था? Another example with plural subject. Were they enjoying party? क्या वे पार्टी enjoy कर रहे थे? This is in past continuous tense. If you want to change it into present continuous tense, then use are instead of were. Are they enjoying party? क्या वे पार्टी enjoy कर रहे हैं? So I have compared past continuous tense with present continuous tense so that you can learn what is the basic difference between past continuous and present continuous. See this, the main identity, present continuous ends with रहा है and past continuous ends with रहा था. In case of present continuous tense, we use is, am, are, is with singular, am with I, and are with plural. And here we use was with singular and were with plural. In case of negative, not with was were, and in case of interrogative, was were at first place. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. Keep supporting my channel.